Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what is a toaster bag, you ask? Well, heck if I know, but I'm gonna show you guys what it is here. So it is, it's really cool. It lets you put things into like a bag to put in the toaster. Like if you have a toaster and things start falling through the little the holes in it and stuff like that, it kind of keeps things good. So these are able to be, heated up and everything inside of the toaster without it catching on fire or anything like that. So they're kind of like a parchment stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. These actually aren't parchment, they're more of a fabric looking thing. So let's look at these, and I'll show you. It comes with a bunch of them here. And it looks like there's 3 different sizes. You can see here, there's small, medium, and large. I'll show you guys the large one here. I'll just take one of these, if I can grab it. So this is what it looks like here. It feels almost plasticky, fabricy or something like that, but it's probably some sort of silicone parchment, mix or something like that. So you put your food in there. So I can put my French fries in there. I can put my broccoli in there. Whatever it is I want to stick in the toaster that I don't want to like microwave and make yucky. So I can put it in there like this, and it'll toast it and make it look cool. So it's very cool. These are awesome ones. I've used these before and they've worked well. I bought some more here. Let me go see. Maybe I'll try to toast something here. How about that? I'll go toast some bread. So we'll show you. I'll just grab one of these here. So this is what the baggie looks like. And I'm going over to my toaster. So here we are at the toaster. I got a fancy Ninja toaster that pops down, and I have some bread. So I'm gonna use small slice thin wheat bread. So I'm gonna stick that in there, and we'll see how it looks when it toasts. So this is what a slice looks like, untoasted. And there it is in the toaster bag. Okay, so it's toasting now. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, the toast is done, and I think I might have cooked it a little too long, but let's see how it looks. So this is it. And that's how, oh man, look at how perfect that came out. Perfect toast. So that's what it looks like when I toast it in the toaster bag. So you see it toasts right through it, keeps it nice and moist and stuff inside. I'll rip it open so you can see. So it's got the crunch on the outside and still moist on the inside. So very cool. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.